Have you ever wondered what's with all those weird anime characters taking over Twitch? Or who are all these virtual personalities taking over YouTube and TikTok? What is with all these avatars? Well, Vtubers are the latest internet sensation sweeping the globe. But what exactly is a Vtuber? And how did they rise into fame so quickly? These are the questions I'm gonna answer today. I'm Bitsy the Alien, and why don't you stick around to find out more? Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of Vtubers and PNGtubers. Just like me, I'm a Vtuber. So, what are Vtubers other than cute? Well, the term Vtuber stands for Virtual YouTuber, and these content creators use dynamic digital avatars that can track their real-life movements. Yeah. Well, what about PNGtubers? This term refers to the less dynamic avatar that is made with a handful of PNG images that, instead of following real-life body tracking, are often triggered by a toggle on the computer. These avatars, like the one I'm using today, often resemble anime characters, but they don't have to. They don't have to, but why use a VTuber avatar? Is there something wrong with your face, Bitsy? Huh? Hey, go check my Insta and you tell me. No, we do not use these avatars to hide our ugly mugs. They are used to produce videos and live streams as if you were role-playing a character. And if you've ever played D&D, you know how fun it is to do character creation and role-play a character, okay? This phenomenon began back in Japan around 2011 actually, with the VTuber Ami Yamato. Most people don't know about them, but they were the very first virtual personality to brave the internet. Not too long after, in 2016, Kazuna AI became one of the pioneers of virtual YouTubing as she gained popularity quickly and paved the road for others to follow. Another name you may have heard of is Hatsune Miku, who, not officially a VTuber, helped bring fans from around the world to find new love in virtual entertainers. From Japan, this trend has spread worldwide, with VTubers attracting massive audiences in all corners of the globe. Some of my favorites are German. These days, VTubers use advanced motion capture technology to animate their avatars, making them incredibly lifelike and engaging. This process is often made via a program called Live 2D, which I know how to use, okay? Yeah. Channels like Hololive and Niji have turned VTubers into a massive industry, with talents racking up millions of subscribers, not to mention dollar bills. What? But what truly makes VTubers so appealing to audiences? And why are they all over your feed, even if you don't like anime? Well, for many, it has come from the Oshi culture, which is a blend of entertainment and interaction that comes from live streaming. Oshi being a Japanese word that is used to describe someone that you idolize, much like they do in Korea with their K-pop stars. Fans love the ability to connect with their favorite odd little niches, and VTubers take on the personality of these niches, making a safe haven for many different people to come together under one banner. So the true answer to what is a VTuber? A VTuber is a niche personified. You love metal music? There's a VTuber for that. You love sticky, gooey cookies? Well, there's a VTuber for that. You love weird hentai tentacles? Well, there's lots of VTubers for that. And if you like getting beamed up into spaceships, well, stick around here, because I'm the alien to do that for you. Imagine the very essence of the one thing you love and geek out about most, and then boom, there's a living, breathing effigy of your infatuation? That is the core of what VTubing truly is. Whether it's singing, gaming, chatting with fans, or bringing a new level of entertainment to the table, the influence of VTubers is undeniable. And as technology advances, we can only expect this trend to grow even further. Hello, Metaverse. Whoa. So what do you think about VTubers, Are they utter trash? Or do you have a favorite? And would you ever consider becoming a VTuber and being the personality behind a niche that you love? Well, let me know in the comments. And if you're curious about the tech behind VTubers, how they're made, or just want to know more about your favorite VTubers in general, well, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because this mothership is all about VTubers, how we can help each other out, and the technology and art behind each and every amazing personality. So, thank you for observing. Until you climb aboard the mothership next time, stay strange. Bitsy out.